Hello. In today's class, we will consider concept of Say's law. Statement of Say's law. J.B. Say has given this statement. His law is supply creates its own demand. That is, whatever you supply will find a market. Okay. This he assumed with various assumptions that he had made. He has proposed his law. His assumptions are full employment. There is always economy will be at full employment. If there is any unemployment, it will be purely temporary, according to J.B. Say. And this problem will be solved by wage cut policy. We will see what is that in the next slide. So our assumption is full employment. Flexibility of wages, price, and rate of interest. Market mechanism. We are talking about, that means wages are flexible, also downwards. There is price flexibility, which is assumed. This is assumed all flexibility is because we need to have demand equal to supply situation. Equilibrium attainment then only will become possible. No? Similarly, flexibility in rate of interest. So savings will rise or investment will rise. Rate of interest will be affected. So we are assuming flexibility in this also. We assume prevalence of perfect competition. So whatever assumptions which are valid for perfect competition also will become true here. We assume free market economy is prevalent. Free market economy is where there is laissez-faire. There is no government interference. Market economy is free. Free means without control. So no government control. That means, to be very simple, we are saying each supply will create demand. How it will become possible? Creation of supply will happen when employment will be generated, income will be generated. So in that way, demand will be created. So with this logic, we say that all supply will find market. Whatever is produced by producers, either they will self-consume or they will exchange it in place of something else, which is their requirement. So that is how Say's law will become valid in barter economy. Okay, barter economy mein you will exchange what is produced by you either with some other good or services, as there is no money. With monetary economy, we say what you will produce, you will exchange that with money first, and then you will purchase what are your requirements with that money. Okay, so in that way, it will become valid. Assumption is prevalence of two sector economy. Two sector सर्कुलर फ्लो में आपने किया है, आपको याद है, हमने किया था, वो वीडियो में आपको बताया था मैंने. टू सेक्टर इकोनॉमी इज प्रिवेलेंस ऑफ टू सेक्टर्स इज हाउस होल्ड एंड फर्म. क्लोज इकोनॉमी की बात कर रहे हैं हम. इन दिस डायग्राम वी आर कंसिडरिंग सेविंग्स एंड इन्वेस्टमेंट्स. सो सेविंग्स कर्व, ये एस सेविंग्स कर्व है, ओरिजिनल सेविंग्स कर्व. आई ओरिजिनल इन्वेस्टमेंट कर्व. Equilibrium is attained at point E with R as rate of interest. Original equilibrium rate of interest is OR, and equilibrium volume of savings and investment is ON. At this rate, if investment increases, okay, if there is no change in rate of interest and only investment curve is shifting, new curve I1 है, अगर रेट ऑफ इंटरेस्ट सेम रहा, with same rate I will reach investment curve at point E1. So investment will be Q, but हम savings curve पे तो यही है N. So ON is saving, but investment becomes OQ. Investment is in excess. That will encourage rise in rate of interest. Interest rate बढ़ेगा and we will attain equilibrium E2, where savings and investment, both curves are intersecting. Savings and investment, both curves are intersecting at point E2. Okay, so E2 is when we will attain rate of interest R1. ये नया equilibrium interest rate है. We are assuming flexibility in the interest rate. So rate of interest बढ़ा, and because of that savings and investment became equal. At this point again they became equal. So equilibrium level of savings and investment now is OM. Okay, so we assumed here flexibility in rate of interest. Savings investment equality becomes possible only when rate of interest is flexible. Considering Pigo's version of Say's law, where wage flexibility assumption that we had na, so we will be considering it here. We have MRP curve. Originally we are here. See, I will be considering curve first. So ये अपना ओरिजिनल कर्व है. ओरिजिनल कर्व है अपना MRP कर्व, जो हमने कहा ये ओरिजिनल कर्व है. हम शुरू करेंगे पोजीशन से जहां पर अनएम्प्लॉयमेंट सिचुएशन है. सो आई विल कॉल दिस एज point A, where wage which is prevalent is W1 and level of employment N1 है. अब एक्चुअली अवेलेबल लेबर टू वर्क विथ N है. जॉब किसको मिला? सिर्फ N1 को मिला है. ओके, N1 वर्कर्स को जॉब मिला है बिकॉज वेजेस आर कंपैरेटिवली हायर. दिस इज एट W1 लेवल. नाउ एडिशनल वर्कर्स को अगर जॉब देना है तो जो सॉल्यूशन बताया है यहां पर यह है वेज कट पॉलिसी. सो if wages are reduced from W1 to W, I will reach this curve at point B, here C, and employment will be for N workers. So what is seen? Wages जब reduce कर लिए जाएं तो employment बढ़ जाएगा. Wage cut policy से कहेंगे हम. Those who are already employed are actually accepting wage cut, wage reduction for sake of those who are unemployed. So in that way, additional jobs can be generated. So full employment can be attained. N1 से N jobs बढ़ गए, full employment हमने attain किया. So wage flexibility की हम बात कर रहे हैं यहाँ पर. Wage cut is a solution for unemployment. Now we criticize Say's law saying that wage cut is not reality. In reality, nobody will accept reduction in their own wages for sake of those who are unemployed. So this is not reality. Similarly, perfect competition assumption जो हमने किया, perfect competition, reality it is difficult to find out the situation. Similarly, in modern time, consumer is king. So each supply is not creating demand. Keynes was also a believer of Say's law till 1930s Great Depression. So he also believed in concept of each supply will create demand. But in 1930s, during Great Depression, world has experienced that Say's law has failed. Wage cut is not working. Each supply is not able to create demand. We are not able to bring economy out of depression with this. So Keynes has criticized Say's law, and alternatively, he provided his own theory, which is Keynesian theory, which we'll be doing in our next video. I will explain you that. We will stop with this in present video with Say's law. Thank you.